So you've got the water slide up here that goes down. It's actually it's a pretty cool water slide. It's decent size, but it's not particularly steep gradient. And definitely everything in the kind of the ship as we go around, as you'll see, it's definitely catering to the younger demographic. Everywhere you turn, it's probably what you'd expect from Disney, right? And I'm not sure that's not a criticism, that's just a reality. So we'll go down and have a closer look at that in a sec.